stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shatta, am I right? I'm begging you please. I am crying for peace.
Production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so please, maybe going to take care of it. Yes, man, the virus is real and it's wicked. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, anyone in there big up on yourself and I wish you all nothing but love and respect and prosperity, guidance and protection. Blessed Sunday to one and all. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, seeing your support is highly appreciated. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell if you feel like doing so, you know what I mean? If you're gonna subscribe, just please click the bell so you always get that alert when I post a content. You see me? Yes, man. So my viewers and subscribers, in this episode we have two videos to show, no? One with Octane and also I'll go dancehall, show you the girl them proud with them freak in this combo. You see me? Combo around the place right now and the girl them freaky and proud with it, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I don't know. After the quick intermission.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
The secret, I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I wish I did stay silent. Why would I lie? It makes no sense.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that's a single gonna release 21st. This Wednesday coming on all platforms. No one cares. You know what I mean? It's a song I did for all the victims of abuse, you know, whether rape, violence, domestic violence. It doesn't matter once you've been abused, you know what I mean? That song there are for the people, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. You don't know, you can go stream it, download it, pre-order it. Yes, sir, I say, and show the support. Yeah, man. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Octane came out and speak about the music business. And a long time, years, it a go on, in a decades, you hear people attack, say, corruption, gatekeepers, syndicates, you know, artists fight against artists, them now do not show with the artists, them now, they don't want to go up and rhythm with the artists, you see me, and so forth. Them tell promoter don't book the artist, or this checking if you play the artist a song, so you don't know, you're going to hear Octane as himself, so here I go.
Dancehall people fight against them one another too much. Reggae people fight against them one another too much. So this girl now love Octane. Octane is one of her favorite artists and she want to book me. I say alright, I work with the band because I present the thing different. Somebody in a dancehall now call different booking agency. Yeah, don't use Octane, man. We can get one different artist who go sing on tracks for less money. And he more carry less people. Well, you see me? So, through them convince her say it's best to use tracks when she want one reggae show, when she want one band show. Zine, I always tell people, say, listen to me. That's why them not too like me, you know. Because I always tell people, say, listen to me. You better you shorten my pay, but you not cut my production. You not cut me engineering, you not cut my staff, you not cut them thing there. You better you shorten my pay. But production is very imperative. See, when you go in front of your fans, them where you pay them money and then you figure sing. And then I fuck her up there. Dancehall music and reggae music, it not go. Because a man we call a DJ and I say, yo, you know what? I have a new song out, you know. Give me a strength. Them now, a man not say that. A man a call the DJ and say, oh yeah, play Dovey Magnum song too much, so much time, brother. Bumbuckler, dog, and just play my song 2 times. If the man a play Dovey song 100 fucking time, and you a call the man for your strength, why you feel like if you turn down Dovey Magnum fire, forget a strength? You think whiskey that call nobody in the world and tell them to turn down Davina read song for make whiskey song play? No. You might call for Fame Strength direct. Say, yo, I would love. Why couldn't be, yo, John, I love how you work that Duffy Magnum songs, man. I want to do some work with you. Can you work my one like that? Can we work out something like that? Why you tell the people them say, dog, you play that too much, dog. So we stay in a dancehall and reggae. That's why I just try to own everything for myself. For myself. I mean, so when you fuck yourself, and me say, yo, I want your judgment in your ass, glad you can't bag me up, because you're not better than me. Then, I say, I can't dead. But every man can dead. You can't war me, you can't beat me up, you can't do them something there. And you not pay my bills them. And you not feel in my life forever. So, join the line of the people them will say Octane and pussy. Because me I can put you up on the list there. Dancehall music and reggae music, nothing wrong with the music. It's just the structure and the people them will occupy the music. They're a bunch of motherfuckers. They're a bunch of hypocrites, a bunch of one bag of fuckery. See? That's why dancehall music and reggae music, the people them will utilize it. It ain't going no fucking where. And the youth them with the talent, the youth them will do it. Yo, better not get Tonto Blacks the blood clot running up. Better not get Tonto Blacks to run. Because Tonto Blacks will do better. Me I tell you. Tonto Blacks have everything what the music desire. Tonto Blacks have appearance. Him jovial. Him is a people person. When Tonto Blacks walk in our room, the room, Tonto Blacks energy has been felt in the room. Zane him captivate people. Him do everything. But you not say man is the ideal dancehall artist. You not rate him like that. So you not push him. But the people them wanna rate and the people them wanna push. I fuck up the blood clot business. They're fucking up the business. You see me? Dovey laugh. A reality me I tell you. The people them have to really get to run them, like make them go represent it. Make them go represent it, because watch you now. Too much segregation, too much man feel like a them own the music. Too much man feel like them now advise them a youth that. Too much man feel like them not rate the young artists them. Too much man feel like the artists them before the young artists them. This that be a little controversy fucker, me can't bother with that. Too much man have on the internet, too much man have platform, and instead of speak about blood clot music, they must find ways to bring down people. They must do that. Brother, you know see Bruno, you know see Burna Boy upon no in internet I try bring down David or bring down Whiskey or bring down that. You know it feel good for Whiskey to have a #1 song in America over Jake. While Jake is the biggest fucking artist in Jamaica. And Uno sound love dancehall and reggae music. And then when me out in the world, Uno say me switch. I need to fucking switch. Me and my kids them for feed, me need to switch my own blood clot. Yeah. Because if Drake are the biggest artist in Jamaica, and Uno say Uno love dancehall and reggae, and Uno and are the biggest artist in Jamaica, and it will stay so for a while, then me must switch for Uno blood clot. If you not support your favorite artist, and me not on your favorite list, no call me I go blood clot bun. You not go say Octane there foreigner run Uber. That you not left me to. Me have to switch for you. Yes, Daniel. Yeah, Drake is the biggest artist in Jamaica. Drake don't sing reggae music and dancehall music. Zane, then me not have to switch. They're going to say a Uber me there find a run, because if you know favorite artists, you not listen to them, you not stream them. But you know artists, the expectation of artists. You know want artists to lead, you know, teach, you know, grow, you know, pick me for yourself. Artists not have feelings, artists not have perspective, artists not have a voice. Zane, you know give artists a burden with a rascal carry away heavy like 1 3 bag of cement. Wanna not care for yourself, wanna expectation, wanna don't have for yourself, wanna have for artist. Oh shit, he just calls a curse word. But yeah, listen. Me I say my name of a call pan pussy not body. Oh shit, that's too aggressive. But then you listen to Migos where say, yo, him licky batty and him yam out the hole and him do this. And he was like, oh, the song is jamming. And have selective ears to listen when you want to listen. Then you have some Jamaican artists that say, oh, me not do no collaboration with them, man, they them too slack. But yo, me not do a song with Migos right now. Me not do a song with that man right now. You, Migos saying lick batty and Nyam Crutches and Ray and them something there.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you Octane, I say, and big up Octane. You know, one thing with Octane, I'm always speak him mind and him keep it real. You know what I mean? And the speech where he make is very imperative, you know what I mean? Yes, man, and you have some artists, some people just impulsive, with them impulsive thinking and behavior, you know? Yes, man. So Octane, I make you know, say, yo, the person that reach out to the promoter and I say, yo, don't book Octane, we can get somebody cheaper. And I saw them stay for true. You know what I mean? So them stay for true, star. And that's why the business, you know? John was star. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think, you know? Octane also stated that year, that's why him left. Him switch on them, you know? Switch on them a Jamaica and they're foreign. You know, a good one Octane, they're foreign. I don't know if him settle long there or him live there or but I don't know, him have him most of yard still, so maybe I take a break out at a time out, you know? But the Jamaican mentality right now is crabbing a barrel, you know? Today them return, tomorrow them switch on you when they can't do nothing for them or give them something. So that Octane I make you know, you see me? But there's a part where Octane I say, yo, the person who fight against him, you know, I try to banter them thing, them have a platform and every day them up on social media always bring down people.
Too much man have on the internet, too much man have platform, and instead of speak about blood clot music, they must find ways to bring down people. They must do that. Brother, you know see Bruno, you know see Burna Boy upon no internet I try bring down David or bring down Whiskey or bring down that.
My mind tell me who I talk, you know, but me not call a name because Octane never call a name. So the person who you know always up on social media try to bring down people, you know, in any form of way, and bring down other artists. Viewers and subscribers, so can let me know what you think. Let me know who you think that person is. Who always up on social media, I try to bring down people, and them is an artist. Octane never call a name, but give a clue. My mind tell me who, you see me? Yeah, man, them and them impulsive behavior. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of that Octane I say. You know what I mean? Now watch the little clippings on our party. Boy, the girl them freaky and proud. You see me? So watch what I go on.
Come here, use a bad freak, come here. Not you. Not you. Not you, you're criminal, you're thief. Slimmers. Jesus! Come on. Look how you make the tongue beat the cap collar. Look how she make the tongue beat like an acrobat. You know pretty like who? She want capital. Don't style with some love.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers are here where the selector say, yo, you come here, bad freak. And our next girl run come and say, me attack. The girl them proud. Don't know, I don't know things sometimes change. Everybody have to live their life. You see me? Yes, you just want to say you will live your life clean and honest and real, you know? Don't watch what other person do because I can't dictate somebody's life. You see me? People do what they want, do man and woman. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribe. But with that lifestyle, sure, it's a dancehall change, you know what I mean? Yes, man. So my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Let me know what you think of that, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Big up the girl, let me say, you know, big up the girl, with the freaky and proud. You see me, I say, big up the girl, let me keep it real at the back of field and not do certain things, you know what I mean? Yes, man, I hold up love and respect, guidance and protection. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you don't know, stay safe out there, you know? Yeah, man, stay safe out there. And remember, your health is your wealth. I'm out, not another word out of my mouth.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love guys, we got me bed.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during the going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.